Hello, dear viewers. Today, we will talk about the Circle Card from Target, a credit card that offers numerous benefits for its users. Let's take a closer look at what it has to offer and how it can help you save money. The Circle Card is a credit card that allows you to earn 1% cash back on all purchases, as well as 5% cash back on purchases made at Target stores and on Target.com. This makes it an excellent choice for those who frequently shop at Target. Additionally, the card offers special promotions and discounts for cardholders, which can significantly increase your savings. Now let's discuss the interest rates and fees. The standard interest rate for the Circle Card is 22.90% APR, which may be higher than some other credit cards on the market. However, if you pay off your balance on time, you can avoid accruing interest. As for fees, the Circle Card has no annual service fee, which is a significant advantage. To obtain the Circle Card, you will need to fill out several fields. You will be required to provide 1. Your full name 2. Residential address 3. Date of birth 4. Social Security number 5. Contact phone number 6. Email address 7. Income and employment information. After filling out all the necessary information, you can submit your application and await approval. Now let's list the advantages. 1% cash back on all purchases and 5% on purchases at Target. No annual service fee. Special promotions and discounts for cardholders. Convenient mobile banking and 24/7 account access. However, like any product, there are also some disadvantages. High interest rate of 22.90% APR if you do not pay off your balance on time. Inactivity fees over the course of a year may impact your credit history. Overall, the Circle Card from Target is an excellent choice for those who frequently shop at Target and want to earn cash back. If you're looking for a credit card with no annual fee and favorable terms, this product is worth considering.